With DraftKings, you can set a new lineup each week. Here's my dream lineup for Week 9. One of my picks this week is San Diego Chargers quarterback Phillip Rivers. We picked him a few times already this season, but he's still a very good value at $6,900. That makes him the 7th most expensive quarterback on DraftKings, despite leading the league in pass yards, and he's also thrown for 300 yards and 2 touchdowns in 5 straight games. My other value pick this week is Denver Broncos running back C.J. Anderson. He finally found the end zone last week and also tallied his first 100-yard game in Week 8 against the Green Bay Packers. At $4,400, he's worth the risk.